I'm Mike Houts. I'm Nuclear Research Manager at Marshall Space Flight Center, and I'm blessed to be able to work on space nuclear power and propulsion systems. Most of what I focus on are fission systems. What's nice about fission, it has about 10 million times the energy density of chemical reactions, actually over 10 million times. And so when we start using fission in space, what that will do is it'll really eliminate any kind of constraint we have associated with energy density. And so because of that, we can do all kinds of exciting things. One thing we can do is if we want to put colonies or outposts on the surface of the moon, surface of Mars, asteroids, really any planetary body, we can provide a very power-rich environment to the astronauts. And so that's going to help as far as the productivity of the outpost, what all things can be done, enable things such as in-situ resource utilization. So a real exciting application of that particular technology. Also, as these power systems become more advanced, we can start using them for either very high power outposts or colonies, or we can also use them for nuclear electric propulsion. It's basically a very advanced form of propulsion that would allow rapid, affordable access at some point to almost any point in the solar system. And so that's a very exciting application of fission. Another application of fission is nuclear thermal propulsion. With a nuclear thermal propulsion system, not only do we have the benefits from the high energy density, but we're also, because we're not relying on chemical reactions to provide the energy, we have a wide variety of choice of propellants. Now, the first generation systems, we've settled in on hydrogen. That gives us the best performance at very reasonable core temperatures, but those systems will also be very useful, especially for enabling rapid crew transport to Mars or other destinations in the inner solar system. And so just wanted to say a little bit about some of the exciting work that's going on within NASA at Marshall Space Flight Center, but also Glenn Research Center, Stennis Space Center, down at JSC, lots of places within NASA that are working in this particular area. And so our job is really just to try to find creative ways to make this affordable, make it viable, and to really help enable humanity's expansion out into space.